Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office for Scotland. We are expecting severe weather over the next 24 hours, some heavy snow and the real risk of some very slippery conditions as well, with widespread ice across central and southern parts. We have two amber weather warnings in force, one for snow and one for ice being caused by freezing rain. Now, for many, Saturday starts dry and bright across the east, but it will be changing as we go through the day. Already some wet weather in the west with a little bit of snow here and there, but the rain peps up across the southwest, turns to snow over the hills and turns to freezing rain in many places. Freezing rain is when it starts off as snow, it melts, it falls as rain, and then when that rain hits the surface, it freezes on impact and creates very, very slippery conditions on the roads. Widespread ice, dangerous travelling conditions due to those icy conditions. It's going to be a cold day, some brightness hanging on across the northeast, but there will be showers coming into Aberdeenshire and across the Northern Isles. Now, as we go through the afternoon, as I said, that wet weather will push into the southwest. There will be some snow mixed in, but mostly it'll be rain, but it could, as I say, be freezing rain, making roads like the M74 and the M8 treacherous. Across the northeast, a few showers, but the wind's really picking up here and some big waves are expected around the coasts of the northeast and particularly across the Northern Isles. And it could cause some issues with a few showers as well. There'll be wet weather across the highlands, some snow falling here, but heaviest snow is likely to develop through the afternoon and evening, especially across areas north of the central belt. So we have an amber warning for snow in this zone here. How much could we see? 5, 10, maybe higher routes could see 20 centimetres, high parts of the A9, for example. That's snow coupled with strong winds. That means blizzards. Further south, the greatest risk is from ice. As I said, freezing rain making the roads treacherous. We are expecting travel disruption through the course of Saturday, Saturday night and into Sunday. The amber warning in force for ice across central and southern parts. The amber warning for snow across these central areas, particularly the southern parts of the Grampians. But there's a wider yellow warning for snow and ice. Things could be very, very slippery. And this is later on through Saturday afternoon into the evening into Sunday morning. Just bear that in mind if you're travelling today. The snow is likely to pep up across particularly the higher parts of central and northern Scotland during the evening. And then slowly through the early hours, it may start to fizzle out. It's also going to be windy at times, and it's going to be a pretty cold start to Sunday morning. Still wet and windy at that stage across the northeast. We may well hang on to the rain for much of the day here, but elsewhere, Sunday looks a lot drier and a lot brighter and actually turning just a touch milder too. But before we get to Sunday, some severe weather on the way over the next 24 hours. Please keep up to date with the very latest Met Office weather warnings. Do that through the Met Office website. Download our app. The warnings are on there as well, or of course, follow us on social media.